Let's stretch out in our gate pose, starting in a tabletop. Hip circles with the left knee. Just 3. As if there's a big pencil on your knee. And then we kick that leg to the side, plant the foot, toes are pointing forward. Right hand underneath your face. Inhale, left hand reaches up, stretching those fingers up. As we exhale, thread the needle and see how far you can stretch that hand through. Then we inhale up, creating a straight line from the heaven to the earth as you take a deep breath in. And exhale. Another breath. And then we plant it back onto the earth. Rise back up. Left hand slides down, right bicep by your ear, only looking up if your neck allows. Exhale as we come back. Pivot the toes so they point outwards and bend into the knee. Push the left hand on the inside knee just to focus on that inner thigh, resting the right hand on the hip. Breathe as you stretch that inner hip. From here, let's straighten out that leg, flex your toes up, and then bring that foot in as we sit our hips back onto that right heel, coming in half malasana. With the left hand by your ankle, reach your right hand up to the sky, opening up that shoulder, taking a big, beautiful breath in. And as you exhale, float that hand down to the earth. Here we reach back forward, starting back in our tabletop, repeating on the second side. Big hip circles on the right side. There's a pencil on your knee, drawing a big circle before we kick that leg out. Plant your foot, toes off, pointing forward. Left hand right underneath your face. Right hand reaches up, stretching those fingertips up. As we exhale, thread the needle, stretch it through. Then we inhale, reaching back up, taking a beautiful breath in as you open up that shoulder. And then use your exhale to ground that hand back down to the earth before we rise back up. Right hand slides down, left bicep by your ear, only looking up if your neck allows. Then we release and come back to the center. Bend in the knee, pivot the toes out, the heel is in. 90-degree angle here, we bend and we focus on stretching that inner thigh open, resting the right hand on the inner knee. Keep your steady breath. From here, we can just straighten out that leg, flex your toes up, and then we're going to plant that foot down, bring that foot in a whole bunch more as we sit on the left heel now in half malasana on the right side. Right hand to the earth, left hand reaches up, open up that shoulder, big breath in. As you exhale, come back to your center. From here, bring your knees together and rest in your diamond pose.